If your skin is not glowing, you might be making this mistake without knowing. Fix today.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Frills and Frills. So today we will fix this 7 mistake which you are doing. Let's discuss. So mistake number 1. If you're not know about your skin type is oily, dry or combination. So maybe you are doing first very big mistake. So first know about your skin type, what is skin type. Number 2, you are using wrong product according to your skin. So firstly know your skin and after that consult with the cosmetic doctor, or you can search through Google and find what is the product right for your skin. So let's find and discuss together about which product will be good for you. You can comment down, so we will discuss and I will let you know which product for suitable for dry skin, normal skin and combination skin. Number 3, this is very important step. If someone doing more cleansing like 4 times, 5 times, so stop that. You need to wash your face morning and evening. Don't cleansing your face 4 or 5 times. Number 4, skipping your sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important for your skin. So if you're going outside, don't forget apply your sunscreen on your face. This is very important step. Don't forget and skip your sunscreen step. Number 5, if you are using too many products on your skin, it will become hassle. Your skin will irritate and your skin acne will pop up on your skin. So please don't use too many products. First research, know about your skin, about your right product, then apply on your face and apply on body. So please stop too much product. Number 6, if you are using new product, apply on patch test. If your skin is feeling good and not itchy, so you can apply on your face. So before apply on your face, always do patch test. This is very important step for your skincare. Now number 7, last but not least, if you are seeing so many reels, so many Instagram video, maybe you got confused which product is good, which DIY for me. So please don't be confused. Don't be do not do acne experiment. So don't follow the wrong trends which are ongoing on the YouTube and the reels.
That sound excited, make sure to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a glow up